In this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove object from photos on Poco C75. Open the Google Photos. Now select the photo. Here you will get the edit option. Tap on it. Now simply swipe left. Here you get the tools option. Tap on it. Here you get the magic eraser. So simply tap on it. Now if you want to remove the object, then simply mark around it. For example, like this. As you can see, my object is not fully removed, so again I will mark around the object like this. As you can see, now my object is completely removed, so simply I will tap on done. Save as copy. As you can see the photo with the object and this one without the object. So this is how you can remove object from photos on Poco C75. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.